You ever buy a light thinking it'll fix your setup and it barely outshines your phone screen? Yeah, same. That's why I'm excited about this one. Today we're unboxing the SmallRig RM120 RGB video light, a pocket-sized powerhouse that promises real studio lighting in something that literally fits in your hand. Let's crack it open and see if it's as good as it looks. Right out of the box, SmallRig keeps it clean and simple. You got the light itself, a dual code shoe mount, a diffuser, the USB-C charging cable, and the manual. Which, let's be honest, we're all pretending we'll read. The first impression though, this thing feels premium. It's all metal, super solid, and still lightweight, only about 7 ounces. You can instantly tell it's made for creators who travel or shoot on the go. Once you power it on, the specs start to flex. You get 1580 lux of brightness, 2500 to 8500K color temperature, a 360-degree hue control, and 98 plus CRI TLCI color accuracy, meaning your skin tones actually look human. It's got 12 built-in light effects for creative scenes, and the 5000 mAh rechargeable battery delivers up to 180 minutes at full brightness. The best part? You can charge and use it at the same time, with built-in overheat protection, so it just keeps going. The interface is surprisingly intuitive. A crisp OLED screen with responsive thumb wheels and satisfying clicky knobs that make fine-tuning brightness and color actually fun. Everything about it feels well thought out, from the button placement to the heat-dissipating metal body. Honestly, the light just fits right in. Compact, powerful, and built to make you look good whether you're filming, shooting B-roll, or adding a glow to your desk. Small upgrade, big impact. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, and as always, keep creating bright stuff.